Hey, this is Andrew Holinchuk with the Victoria Property Group. We're excited to share this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Now check out this rooftop patio. Amazing views of the inner harbor. You can relax, you can do everything up here. It really feels like it's a part of your unit. This condo has in-suite laundry, comes with storage, has a beautiful balcony, and all nicely updated. Let's go check it out. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. To book a showing, contact your realtor or us. Bye for now.